Hi there. So here is the Me Motion Activated Night Light 2. Seriously, such a long name. Check this out. Check this out. Me Motion Activated Night Light 2. That's really a mouthful. So this is actually a successor. They were selling a product similarly without the 2 obviously. That's out of stock. This is new. This was announced alongside the new Me TVs. This was selling at crowdfunding for just 500 rupees. I've got my hands on it. And this will be available for everyone in a couple of weeks. It will be around the price of 600 or 700 rupees. So this is a motion detector light. When you're walking around a room, a bathroom, a stairway, into a storeroom, and when you enter the room, it's like a motion detector and the lights turn on. It's what the name says. It's self-explanatory. So this video, let's unbox it. Let's see how it works. Let's see if it's worth your buck. Let's see everything about it. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. And here is the retail packaging of the Me Motion Activated Night Light 2. On the top it says 360-degree rotation, human motion detection, 2 brightness level options and magnetic mount. On the left you have the name. On the back you have some more details and the MRP of the device is 699 rupees. Alright, let's quickly open the device. Inside the box you have the user manual of how to install it, how to set it up, do's and don'ts. Wow, that looks really pretty. It looks like a half white globe and it's totally made of plastic. On the top there's a sticker. Let's quickly peel this off. Behind that we find the Me logo, and this is where the motion detector sits, right behind this logo. So make sure you never cover this place. Behind we see is a plastic holder, and there's a sticker here which has the adhesive underneath this. So you only remove the sticker when you're fixing the holder either to a tile or to a wall. So the build overall is quite good. Let's open this up and see. You have the silver coating inside, which is a great reflector when the light turns on. The device has support for 3 AA batteries. On the top there's a switch to change the brightness to lower or higher. The battery holding plastic build looks a little cheap. However, the exterior build is quite good. Let's put some batteries and test it out. Well, as we installed the batteries, the lights have turned on. The switch can be set at 2 levels, high or low. You can choose accordingly to your need. Let's quickly close the back. Also, another interesting thing to see here is that the holder is magnetic. So basically, once you fix the holder, you can still set the light in any direction. That's what they mean with 360 degrees rotation. Finally, let's test it. First thing we see is that it doesn't turn on when the lights are on or if it's in a well lit place. It needs to be pitch dark to work. Let's turn off the lights. So it's dark and there you go. It turns on with just a small movement. Now this light is set to low. Let's see how much light do we get in high. There you go. That's really good enough. So how's the device? Well, the Me Motion Activated Night Light 2, I know, funny long name. I'll just call it the Me Light 2, is a good product. So there are a couple of things which I couldn't cover in the demo, which I'll tell you. So suppose you've kept it in the bathroom at night and you've gone and you've come out. It will remain on for about 15 seconds, which is good in a way because it makes sure that you've totally walked out of that area. Similarly, if you're walking through a passage, after you've walked through around 15 seconds, it will turn off, which is great. Other good thing is it has 2 options for brightness, lower and higher, which means, so in my use, I saw that the low setting was more than enough. In low light, it was more than enough. Usually at night when you get up, you don't want it to get really bright also, because it starts disturbing your sleep, and all you want is just a little light so that you can follow your way, whether it's through stairs, to the bathroom or whatever. But it's good that they have a higher brighter settings in case there's a senior citizen, someone who's old, who needs to go to the bathroom or walk through a passage and needs little more light than usually one of us would need. So there is an option for that as well, which is great. Other don't is that this is not a garden light. So please, this is not for outdoor use. This is totally for indoor use. It has to be used inside your house. Don't go and keep it in your garden or in your balcony where there's sunlight all the time, that when you go there it will turn on. No, all day sunlight will probably spoil it. It's not advisable. So another thing is battery life. Now battery life is very difficult to predict. Some use it at high light settings, some use it at less. So someone could be in that area where because of motion it's turned on for a longer while. So battery life is very difficult to predict, but I'm assuming it should last good because it's using 3 AA batteries which are strong enough for it to survive for a decent time. Now coming to the build quality overall is nice. It looks very futuristic. It's made by Xiaomi. The build quality is nice, but when I open it up from inside, the clip that covers the battery looked a little cheap, but overall still okay. I'd say if you compare it with the price and overall seeing the look and the design, very futuristic. I like the magnet clip, and the best part is you can just connect anywhere in any direction you want. So I got this in crowdfunding for 500 rupees. Now just to tell you, crowdfunding, I made a video on what crowdfunding is. I'll leave the link here, you can check it out. Currently the crowdfunding for this product is finished. Very soon this product will be going on sale in retail. Should sell for around 600 to 700 rupees. Like I showed you, the MRP is 700, so definitely not more than that. So is it worth 700 rupees? Absolutely. In fact, I'm considering buying a few more for different places in the house. It's so important for old people, for when you get up in the middle of the night, or if you are going to enter into a dark room like a store room or something, where these things are so important. They're small things, but they're so convenient. They make small things easy. That's why this is called smart living. When you have these smarter devices, they make things far more easier. So I hope you all like this video. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback. Also, if there are any questions, do put them down in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.